This video is not financial advice, so please do your own research and see what you want to invest into. Today we're looking at Usechain at usechain.net, and this is the first mirror identity blockchain with specific features like ID-enabled consensus, ID-enabled security, and ID-enabled privacy. And you can take a look at the project white paper here and the technical white paper here. So what are some of the features of Usechain? Well, there's hardware-based performance improvement, privacy-protected identity application, a boundaryless identity ecosystem, and top business school supported. And these solutions allow the Usechain innovative blockchain solutions to introduce a new brand consensus mechanism. It's randomized proof of work to perfect balance, high performance, and strong security. And this also applies multi-level authentication and encryption mechanism. Zero proof, identity virtual machines, IVM, identity network sharding, INS, identity transaction sharding, ITS, and enhanced smart contract and other innovative technologies to create a new generation of blockchain and the leading blockchain 3.0 through performance and security balance, anonymous and identity balance, and technology and application balance. It all started in 2016 with an idea to determine identity-based blockchain, to research on algorithm of identity-based blockchain, and to put forward the concept of the identity of tokenization. In Q1 and Q2 of 2017, the design principles were determined and the objectives were determined, compiled the development plan, and they officially launched Usechain project. In Q3 of 2017, they designed the system architecture and the basic protocol, and they integrated the planning of the ecosystem. Looking at Q4 of 2017, they developed the underlying public blockchain, cooperated with partners to explore application scenarios. In Q1 of 2018, they developed fundamental functions of the underlying public blockchain, developed address identity mapping system, certification authentication center system. In Q2 2018, they developed privacy protection system from core community and achieved 50,000 people, plus 50,000 people. Q3 2018, they developed a software-based RPOW consensus algorithm, developed enhanced smart contracts, developed TPOS consensus algorithm, launched the beta version of the main chain, achieved 100,000 plus people in the community, and launched the first DApp. Coming to Q4 2018, set up the subchain structure, developed a cross-chain subchain communication, build Usechain Echo Fund to accelerate ecosystem development, and develop multi-industry vertical community. Looking into next year, 2019, AI system of address behavior analysis, develop tokenized multi-node system, develop hardware-based RPO consensus algorithm, more multi-industry based DApps, and launch decentralized exchange. And you can connect with the team here. You can click here to read about them and see their background, from the CSO, the CEO, the chief scientist, senior financial specialist, COO, CTO, and you can connect with them on LinkedIn by clicking this button here. You can also do the same for their advisors. Just click on and then read about some of their background, and you can see some of the extension of the senior of expert of blockchain, founder and CEO of 5 Miles, founder and CEO of Cyber Miles, served as a co-founder and CTO for Light in the Box, LITB, and you also can read about some of the advisors here. They've also been featured in Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Seeking Alpha, Asia One, Market Insiders, Naver, DAM, Yam, TableNote, and other big media outlets. You can also connect with them on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and Medium. Let's take a look at the white paper. Usechain, as we can see, it's the first mirror identity blockchain ecosystem, and we can see the disclaimer of liability here about the UST tokens and what they can be used for. They can only be used for the purpose specified in the white paper, not limited to any investment, will not be sold or used in any jurisdiction that prohibits the use of cryptocurrency, and the UST tokens are not entitled to any form of rights, including not limited to any ownership distribution rights, including not limited to profits, redemption rights, liquidity rights, exclusive rights and including all forms of intellectual property rights or financial or legal rights except those specified in the white paper. And this is the English version of the white paper. It's the main official source of the USD token related information. And we can see what's in the white paper for Usechain, the Mirror Identity blockchain. We have the introduction with the blockchain industry bottlenecks and the vision. We have the Usechain governance with the Usechain foundation principles, foundation targets. We have the technical architecture, the token sales of USD, which is the name for the Usechain token, the token distribution, the use of funds, the commitment and the protection. We also have the Usechain ecosystem, the ecosystem value, ecosystem architecture, ecosystem applications. We also have the core team and the advisors, and the roadmap. And you can also read the executive summary and all of the different categories mentioned. Thank you very much for watching this review on Usechain.net.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.